again like this, from this side to the other. And fold it once more. Here. So, you wanna get is a scissors. But if it's sharp, get an adult to do it for you. What you wanna do this is where this part without the edges or the splits is to cut this into a cone shape. Like this. And now you want is to unfold it like this. Or if you want it to be more realistic, we'll do it like this. Fold the other side and ta-da!